Okay, I am really excited to share this with you today. Wanted to pop on really quick. We've got a few people joining us. Hi, Wanda. Hi. I am so excited to share this because I got it. I actually got it on Monday, but this is the first time I've had a chance to open it, to look through it, and to share it. And I'm really excited because it's the new Hedgehog Hollow Kit for the month of March. And it is something a little bit different that I was not expecting. And I'm pretty excited because this was something that was at Creativation. And so let me just share it with you without waiting any longer. This is the cute rainbow envelope that it came in. And what came in the kit are these awesome permanent transfer markers from Artesprix. And these are sublimation markers. Now, if you're anything like me, I did not know what sublimation meant. But as I was reading this, it's very cool because you can take these markers, there are 10 different colors, and you can color on just any paper and then heat transfer it over to your project. And as long as you're using something that has polyester in it, you can iron it on. There are directions on the back exactly what to use if you have a heat press or if you have an easy press or even a regular iron, how to iron them on. So let me just talk a little bit about what else is in the kit, and then I want to tell you what I'm going to do first thing because I'm ready to dive in. So excited. Okay, so also that came in the kit are, of course, some candies. I'm going to set those aside because I'm sure I'll be munching on those a little bit later. This is a little coin purse that has polyester in it that we can iron on right away, so that's exciting. This is a card designed by Alexandra to talk a little bit about how to use the kit and how to use everything in the kit with some savings. Every time you subscribe to this kit, you get coupons to different companies, so that's always exciting. Coastal Supplies is, I think, the ones that supply these markers and also some of the other things that you can get to iron on. And Ellen Hudson and Tonic are also in on the coupons this month. So excited. This you probably can't see, you probably can't tell on film, but this is tape, and it is heat transfer tape, or it's heat resistant. So they call it sublimation tape so that when you take your project, you can tape it on to whatever you're ironing on and it will stay in place. So that came in the kit. This little design came in the kit, and this is actually printed with sublimation ink. So this will transfer after you color it in with your markers. This design will transfer to your project. Then there's a coupon for Coastal Creations to buy some more things for sublimation blanks. And then also we got this tote bag. I already know what I'm going to do with it. I can't wait to share it with you. This tote bag is polyester also, so it is easy to transfer that. And then these are a couple of pieces of, let me see if I have this right. These are silicone sheets. It looks a little bit like, it has a little coating on it. So this is going to help with the iron process as well. And then, of course, a piece of cardboard, which you may not be excited about, but I learned that you'll want to take this piece of cardboard and put it in between the layers of the bag when you're ironing on so it doesn't go through to the other side. So let me talk just a little bit more about these markers. If I can open them, let's see, I'll show you. 10 different colors came in the kit. And also, when you are a subscription box member for the Hedgehog Hollow, she sent over, I think, like 80 different designs that you can use. So I already went on, and of course I printed it off, and it's a sun because my blog name is Sunshine in My Pocket. So I knew that I wanted to do this first, and I'm probably going to put it on maybe this little coin purse. Wouldn't that be cute? So anyway, there are all kinds of designs that she has. I printed this on regular copy paper. That's all you really need to do. And then you can take these markers. I'll probably use these colors, probably pink. And you can see that they have a chisel tip with a nice point on one end. And so you just color in on the copy paper, and then if you want the lines to show up, I did learn that you'll want to outline it with the black. Now this one that came in the kit already is printed with Sublimation ink, but I don't have a Sublimation printer. So this is just a regular printer that I printed this off on, so I'll probably outline that in black or a color, and so that it'll show up when I iron it on. So this is the entire kit. I'm excited to get started on the projects. I'm going to go plug my iron in right away, actually, to try this. I don't have an easy press or a heat press, but I do have an iron. So we're going to give this a try. So this is everything that came in the March Hedgehog Hollow Kit. These Sublimation thermal transfer markers. By the way, when I was growing up, we used to color, draw images on just a piece of paper and send it into a company, and then they'd put it on a plate for us. Did you ever do that? I always thought it was so cool. And so I'm thinking my nephews, my granddaughters could probably draw something and then we could iron it onto something. Wouldn't that be cool? What a neat project to do with your kids. So anyway, this is everything. So here's the markers. You get the tape. This is the heat resistant tape. A design that's already printed with the Sublimation ink. 2 silicone sheets for ironing it on. A little coin purse. And this tote bag to get started right away on your projects. And of course, all the coupons, all the instructions, and 80 plus designs to try out, or you can draw your own. And also, you know what else you can do? You can have the markers in your silhouette or your Cricut, have it draw something for you, and then use that to iron it on. I cannot wait to try that. So there's a lot of things that you can do, a lot of different ideas going on in my head right now. So I just wanted to share this with you really quick, and I hope you all have a really great day. Thank you so much for joining me today, and you are going to see some fun projects coming up really soon from me. In fact, today I'm going to go get started right now. So anyway, thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time. Have a really great day. Bye.